Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making Georgian mince pies, and the recipe I'm going to be following is from the York Castle Museum's recipe. So I've made these before and I actually really love them because they're not as overpowering as the modern mince pies that you get from the supermarket. I suppose once you've done some mincemeat you can leave it for a bit longer and maybe it will be a bit stronger, but I personally don't like the fact that it's overpowering, whereas these ones, these Georgian ones, these are a lot lighter in my opinion. So these are the things that you're going to need for this recipe. It's very straightforward and it takes about 15-20 minutes in the oven to cook. I leave them in for about 20 minutes just to make sure they are cooked, but they can also be in for about 15 minutes depending on how powerful your oven is. So yeah, let's make some Georgian mince pies. So for this recipe you're going to need flaked almonds, vegetable suet, 1 apple, that would be great, currants, sugar, candied peel, mace, but I couldn't find mace so I've used nutmeg instead, brandy and rose water. And that is what's going to make your mincemeat filling. You also can cheat, like me today, and use roll out pastry. We're using puff pastry for this recipe, but you can use whatever pastry suits you. You will also need some cutters, but instead of cutters, because I didn't have the right size or shape, I instead used glasses in my house that fit the shape I wanted. You'll also need to use a bun tray to be able to put your pies into as well, to then put into the oven. let's give it a taste. I like this. So those were the Georgian mince pies. Let me know down below if you decide to try this recipe and share pictures. Let me know how yours turned out. I'm very happy with it. I think it turned out really nice. So I hope you have fun trying this recipe, another Christmas food recipe. And if you want to try the traditional mince pies, I did this as well a couple of years ago. I'll just link it up here, where you use actual meat. Again, I use puff pastry for that. You don't have to, you can use standard pastry for that, which probably would have been better. But let me know down below if you do try either of those recipes. And I'll see you in another video soon.